Hello, it's Hussein here. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make over $100 per day. Sounds funny, right? But stay tuned. I'm gonna show you guys with proof how to make around $100 per day on YouTube just by copy and paste videos. Step number 1, create a YouTube channel. How to create a YouTube channel? Click in this video right here and record celebrity Instagram live.
It's really scary because I think in the beginning of this, we were all kind of under the impression that this was something that was attacking.
And then just do a basic edit on that video and put it on your own channel. Like this guy right here, Alex. Alex had only 1K subscriber 3 months ago. Alex has 66 subscribers right now. Some of their videos got over 1.2 million views. And see, all of these videos got uploaded a few days ago. You can see how much view it has. It's not just Alex. There is 100 others like Alex doing the same thing. I know it's hard starting with 0 subscriber, but you can promote your channel for free by your Facebook, Instagram, and ask your friends and family to subscribe, and ask your close friends to share your channel. The second thing is how to earn money on YouTube without making videos. Go to Pixabay by searching free image Pixabay or Pixel. I go to Pixabay, see there is a bunch of videos for free. For example, I search for fitness. There is a lot of good quality free videos for you. So you just need to download one, and then after you download the video, go to YouTube and search NCS music. Click it in the first one, no copyright sounds. So here is over 1,000 free music. The only things you can do, find the music fit to your videos. Here in playlist there is any kind of music. See right here, for example, here is Spotlight, gaming music, and top 50 of NCS release. So what you can do, what you have to do, here is a link in description of any video you watch in NCS channel. So here is the note. So when you are using this track, we simply ask that you put this in your description. Just copy from here and paste it on your own video's description. I have done a lot of research. It is 100% work without any copyright strike. But if you don't do the work, nothing will work for you. But it's so simple. If you do this consistent, I promise you will get in the next 6 months your first income. So I hope you guys learned something from this video, and I'm gonna make more videos like this and the basic of how to edit videos. So make sure to like this video and subscribe for the updates. Thanks so much. See you in the next video. All.